In today's video, I'm going to teach you about the HSBC Red Mastercard review for 25. This comprehensive guide will walk you through the card's features, benefits, and whether it's the right fit for your financial needs. Let's start with the key features and benefits this card offers. One of the standout attributes is the cashback on online spending. You can earn up to 4% reward cash on your first HKD 10,000 spent online each calendar month. For any subsequent online purchases, you'll still get a respectable 0.4% cashback. If shopping online is a significant part of your monthly expenses, this card could be a boon for you. Now, if you're a frequent diner, this card might excite you. You can enjoy up to 8% cashback at designated merchants, such as Sushiro Hong Kong, Tamjai Samgor Mixian, and the Coffee Academics. With a cap of HKD 100 per calendar month, it's a great way to save on your favorite meals and drinks. Plus, there's no annual fee ever. This perpetual annual fee waiver makes it an economical choice for regular users, providing savings while enjoying all the benefits. Let's not forget the enticing welcome offers. If you're a new applicant, you stand to receive up to HKD 300 reward cash by making eligible transactions totaling HKD 3,000 or more within the first 60 days. It's a simple way to start accumulating rewards right off the bat. On to the pros and some of the potential drawbacks. The card offers high cashback rates, which is a major advantage. We've already discussed the 4% on online spending and the 8% at designated merchants, both of which provide significant value for frequent spenders. The fact that there's no annual fee is another significant plus, allowing you to maximize benefits without any ongoing costs. There are also exclusive merchant deals. Special offers at popular dining and retail locations give you the edge for additional savings. And when it comes to using the rewards, they're fairly flexible. You can easily redeem your reward cash for air miles or use it to offset your monthly spending. Yet, not every aspect is perfect. The card's limited cashback categories mean you'll only gain 1% cashback on other local and overseas transactions, which might not be ideal for all spending habits. Additionally, a 1.95% fee on foreign currency spending might be something to consider if you travel often or shop internationally. Some promotions do require the HSBC Reward Plus app, adding an extra step for accessing certain benefits. For redemption options, the card offers versatile choices. You can convert your reward cash to air miles, perfect for those who love to travel. Alternatively, you can use your reward cash to reduce your monthly credit card bill, offering more direct savings. Finally, let's take a look at the application requirements. Prospective cardholders need to have a minimum annual income of HKD 120,000. Plus, you must have an existing locally issued primary credit card for at least 6 months before applying. So what's the final verdict on the HSBC Red Mastercard? It's an excellent choice for individuals who frequently shop online and dine out, thanks to its substantial cashback rewards and valuable perks. Its no annual fee structure and straightforward redemption options make it a cost-effective and rewarding option for everyday spending.